Hello everyone, my name is Rasul Gapoev. I'm from North Caucasus and I'm a first year student in master's program. So why did I choose this program? This is not about CFA, not about Bloomberg stations which we have. This is about financial analysis, deep financial analysis in business case solving exactly. Because my passion is to solve business cases. And a couple years ago, I have problems in solving, especially in finance area. I tried to choose some program where I could get deep knowledge, especially in econometrics, in statistics, math, some kind of financial analysis. And I'm proud to say that today I am a first year student in Russian Academy, especially in this program. Because these teachers, this atmosphere here give you a unique opportunity to solve these business cases in best way as you can. So enjoy this program, enjoy our university, and welcome.